All right. Yes. Okay, guys. So we are online. I'm actually waiting for you guys to join me online. Well, so that we can have a live stream class together. At least a couple of minutes before I call it a day. So I'll be trying to share this class with you guys. All right, just trying to share the video, the video live stream. Let's see who is online. Okay, so after sharing that live video, let's see. Just trying to wait for you guys to see. Let's see what we can do today. Let's see how we can actually have a nice live streaming class together today. So please, once you joined us, let me know. Thanks for joining. Please kindly leave your name in the comment section below and where you are watching from. Today we actually want to talk about Plotagon, like Plotagon tutorial, how to work in Plotagon, how to fight in Plotagon fighting scenes and the likes. Okay, guys, so I want you guys to join me. Let's see who is joining. Let's see who is joining this live class. Okay, so today I'm just here to answer majority of your questions, and that is exactly what I'm here for today. This night, I'm here to answer your questions based on Plotagon. All right, guys. You are welcome. You are welcome. So quickly, let's start with today's question. Like a lot of users, should I say, a lot of Plotagon viewers have been asking me these questions. That I, Mr. Femtech, how do you create this fighting kung fu template with Plotagon characters? And how do you make the character to work in another background scene? Likewise this, and I really appreciate you guys for what should I say, for the love and the likes, like your comments, your response to my videos is a top notch. Thank you very much. So for those of you that are just joining, I would also have the class in another day. Probably you are not online. Okay. So I want us to have a one-on-one interaction. Are you with me? Okay, so like I said, there are various ways to work with or create your Plotagon moving character. There are various ways to create your Plotagon moving character. I mean, there are extremely various ways of creating Plotagon moving characters. But the major tip here is you just pick a method, and the method I teach you today is what I will recommend anyone to use. Okay, so there are various ways of doing it, and I have found the most easiest way. Okay, so today I won't be creating the tutorial from scratch. I will only be giving you a reference video. Okay, only showing you a reference video that can help you out in that. Okay, that can help you out in that. Sorry, please permit me. So, like I said, now you actually want to know how to create working characters, Plotagon working characters. There is a video after this shot. The video is there. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so I think it should be somewhere in a minute, please. The video should be somewhere. My mouse track is actually seizing. Let me try to scroll down. Coming. Oops. Oh, not this, not this, not this, not no, 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 no. Let me try to see if I can. There's a wait. Okay. Actually, I just want to show you if you're on on my short view, where you can actually what have a view to look at it. Okay. Nevertheless, let's do like this. Let's go to the shorts on my YouTube channel. Once you just type Plotagon walk. There's a video specifically for that. Okay, so let's see. Apps. I should play this. I think it's still going to take me back there. I just want to just show you the easiest method. Like a video is attached to it. So let's see. Let me see. A video is attached to this, just like the short video. Then it reference you to the main video you need to watch. Okay, let me see if I could see that video. So I think this is it. Okay, so I think this is the video. This is the video you need to watch. You can watch this. That is Plotagon tutorial. Work like a pro in any Plotagon scene. or you can also watch this as well. How to make Plotagon character to work in any Plotagon scene 2025. I think I also have and down again. This is a short. This and that. This is a playlist you can watch, and this is also another 11 minutes long video that you can as well watch. Okay, it is nice. Here I also explain Plotagon review, kissing, and the likes. So once you watch that, here is how to do it on a laptop. Okay, here is also another an hour plus video that you can as well watch. Jennifer, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining, Jennifer. Okay, for the Plotagon premium, yes, you can decide to purchase a monthly subscription, and as well you can also decide to purchase um a lifetime subscription. Okay, so for those who are my patrons, like those who are my active subscribers, I always try to give back to the masses whereby subscribing for them. Okay, that is subscribing for, at times it might be a monthly plan, and at times it might also be a lifetime plan. So it's now depend on you if you want to do that yourself. It depends on your location. So Jennifer, uh sorry, is it Jennifer? Did I pronounce the name properly? Okay. um if you are in Nigerian, if you are in Nigeria here, or in Africa, let's say Nigeria to be precise, you have the lowest plan, I think that of 900 naira for 100 users, and the golden plan is about 18,000 naira. Okay, about 18,000 naira. So it all depends on you. But as well, um I do a giveaway. Okay, this is, uh, I'm not involved in any form of any other dubious character, but only for my active members. Once you are active members to me and I notice you, okay, and you're also on my WhatsApp group, then you could also qualify to have the subscription. All right. Okay. Okay. You are using an iPhone. All right. For the iPhone, can you just download? Can you just download it? Can you just download the, what do you call it? Can you just download, or do you have the app on your phone already? Okay. So if you have it, you can just try to check the subscription. All right. So, Jennifer, since you are on my WhatsApp community group, no problem. We will talk better there on that aspect. So, aside from the subscription plan, do you have any question concerning how to work? Any question on Plotagon? Like, do you have any other question on Plotagon? I'll be waiting for your response, Jennifer. Because I'm just trying to see if I can. Oops. All right, so Jennifer, I've just responded to you. So this is what I'm going to do for you. Being the first, whether you're using an iPhone or not, do not worry. I will pay for you. Okay. What I want you to do is just download Plotagon story. Okay. I prefer to use the story than the studio. Okay. What of you, Jennifer? Do you prefer the story? You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so Jennifer, just try to download Plotagon and we'll do the next online. Okay. So I think which one is better? Yes, that's a good question. Well, to me, I prefer in terms of the subscription plan, I prefer to use story. Okay. In terms of the subscription plan, I prefer to use story than the studio aspects because should I say number one, because of this, because of the subscription plan, it's more easier to subscribe for the subscription plan. All right, so this is the Plotagon studio I was talking about. So from here, I have the Plotagon studio versus the Plotagon story. Which one is the best? So here I actually break it down. Okay, it's available on my channel as well. So you could have seen the icon like this. Just go there and you try to gather some knowledge about which one is the best among the best. Okay, but as for me, I will just tell you that I only give a giveaway for Plotagon story, okay, because the plan is still more cheaper there than that of the Plotagon studio. Okay, so you've just won yourself a month Plotagon subscription. I am not an affiliate to Plotagon. Okay, I'm not an affiliate to Plotagon, and one of the reasons why I love using Plotagon is because Plotagon itself, it's a easy to use application. Okay, mobile application and desktop application. Okay, for beginners. Okay, you don't need to learn principles or the likes or principles of animation before you start animating. Once you have your script and you could understand the dialogues, the cameras involved, then that is it. So it's as simple and as easy as that. All right. Oh, big shout out to God is my backup. You're welcome. Okay, so as I was saying, God is my backup. You are welcome, sir. I really appreciate you. Thanks for coming up again. So we still have on pending business. Do not worry. Um, After this live stream, we would have our chat offline, okay, via WhatsApp, okay. And so today I'm just talking about which one is better. Which one is better? Like I said, Plotagon story is better than Plotagon Studio. To my own view, number one, in terms of the subscription aspect on Plotagon Studio is more higher than the story. And the major difference from the time I installed both app, I don't know if they might have upgraded the Plotagon Studio now again for mobile version. During the time I did that video, the difference was those, should I say, after effects, those video effects. After that, there is nothing else. Nothing else was really attached to it. Okay, nothing else was really attached to it. And with that, I I went on to those pick Plotagon story. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So God is my backup. You are one of my top uh top membership subscriber. I really appreciate you, sir. So for Plotagon story or from Plotagon itself, do you have any question? Because I plan to end this live probably in a couple of minutes. I was just trying to just come online to attend to some questions that I notice people have been uh trying to seek the knowledge, and I've been having a lot of, what should I say, a lot of questions, a lot of comments on it. So I felt to come online here to explain. Okay, sir. How to become the active member? Number one, being on my WhatsApp community group. Okay, so being the first among the first member to subscribe or to comment. Are you with me? There's always a giveaway. Like for today, Jennifer got today's giveaway. Okay, but in a couple of days to this time, I'll be coming live again. If it's on Plotagon, giving users, another lucky user, an active subscription as well. Okay, that is for 1 month, and a user can also get a lifetime subscription, but it all depend on the project for that day. So how you can become your active member is when I'm live, you support me in coming live, joining hands together. So with that, you really help me, and also you like, comment, and share. So all this would as well help my channel to grow. And like I said, I'm ready to give out all I know about uh, animation. Okay, all right, sir. So first, how did I get to learn animation? Okay, I started with Plotagon, and I'm talking about if I'm not mistaken, I'm talking about should I say more than 8 years now. More than 8 years now. So I've done a lot of a lot. I mean, I've done a lot with Plotagon. And of recent, okay, yes, I've responded to that. You said how can how can I become your active member? I've responded to that. Probably the time the latency of YouTube is, it's not really going live. It's, I think it's about 2 or 3 minutes late. Okay, because I've explained all that, how you can become an active member on my channel. Okay, I've explained that. I really explained that. Okay, so like I was saying, I have it about, I started using Plotagon about 8 years plus. During that period, learning different type of cartoon creation as well. I create a lot. Okay, so like I said, all what I've learned for the past 8 years and co, more than 8 years, I'm ready to give it out. Okay, so but all cannot be released in a single video like this. All right, I will always come live on YouTube and on TikTok every 9 p.m. Okay, and if I'll be coming live before that time, I would have sent a notification on WhatsApp. Okay, I would have just dropped a notification on WhatsApp for you guys. So I believe I've been able to answer your question. God is my backup. Have I been able to answer the question, sir? Okay, so let's see how to run in Plotagon. Another question. How to run in Plotagon. So on my channel here, just type run. Okay, so once you type run, it should bring out this tutorial, which is how to run in Plotagon story. This video itself actually make me win a Plotagon medal, something like their monthly medal, something like that. Should I call it medal or an award, something like that? So my video was among the nominees for Plotagon monthly or monthly stuff of 18, and I was able to get this Plotagon running. My video, I mean, this one was able to get me that first position. So you want to know how to run in Plotagon using Plotagon characters, although you can't run in Plotagon studio or story, but there is a way we do it, whereby we export the characters and import it into other application. Then we do the magic over there. Okay, so I think I've thus explained what I think I've just explained the necessary questions that was asked. So once it's 10 on dots and there is no other question again, I will be leaving this live section. So the thing is, the secret here is, if you are always online with me, like when I come online, okay, there's a tendency, once you get a artist subscription for this month, you could also be among the lucky winners to get the next month. Okay, so it's as simple as that, and it's as easy as that. All right, so well, Jennifer, I congratulate you once again for the subscription. So after this video, after this live stream, I'll be chatting with you and see how you get your subscription plan active. Okay, so if there's no other question again, you're welcome, Jennifer. If there's no other question again, I think it's time for me to call it a day. So I'll just be waiting for about few seconds to see. All right. So, is there any other question for my top fans? I believe there's no question for tonight, and so we'll call it a day. We'll call it a day. We'll call it a day. Thanks for coming online. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate. Have a nice day. Bye bye. One love.